In this video, I'm going to give you a tip and a really good, easy way to get mud off of the pipe. When you're trying to glue it, you want to get it clean. You want to make sure all that mud is off. Well, I'm going to show you a good tip a guy showed me a lot of years ago, and it's kind of funny, but it actually works. Let me show you something. Now, when you're gluing your pipes together, the last thing you want is a bunch of mud all over your pipe. Now, usually when you take your hand, when there's mud on there, all you do is you smear it around. Well, I'm going to show you this tip today. When you've got a bunch of mud on your pipe, your hands are already muddy, you can't wipe it off, it just smears it. One of the things you can do is get you some dry dirt. So get some dry dirt here, sprinkle it over that pipe, and then start wiping that off. You're gonna have to do it a couple times. But that dry dirt's gonna dry that mud up. And a lot of times I'll put it in my hand and then just rub it over the top of the pipe. And then you can also take like the back of your glove and do kind of a final finish on it. Now you've got the pipe clean, all the mud is off of it, you're ready to prime it, you're ready to put your solvent weld on there, man, you're ready to go. So when you've got mud on your pipe, you got mud on your glove, and you're trying to get that mud off the pipe, you're trying to get it cleaned up, you can actually use some dry dirt to clean all that off. Man, it's a great tip. I use it every once in a while, and it really helps you in a lot of cases. Another thing you can do with the dry dirt, when you got a bunch of mud on your glove, man, get some dry dirt, rub it around in your hands, rub it around in your gloves. It actually cleans all that mud off, and it gets your gloves back to where they need to be, back clean, to where you can do your work cleanly. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any tips.